Hello everyone, I'm Terry Wu, the Senior Sales Manager from Protech. Today I want to introduce the service automation to help the restaurant and hospitality, retail, to doing the digital transformation with the Protech and the product smart solutions. This is the agenda for today. At first, I will give you some introduction for the Protech group. Then I will give you some idea for the QSR total solution and how we use our self-service automation in QSR. And in the end, I will introduce the MDM software we call the Proxi. Protech was founded in 1980. CEO is Engel Wu, and our capital is around $12.5 million. And our employees in the whole world is around 523 employees, and include 152 R&D engineers. Our headquarters is in Taipei, Taiwan, and the factory is in Keelung, which is around 20 minutes from Taipei. And we have the branch office overseas in Japan, US, Germany, and Spain. We focus on the several different types of the customer, include the distributors, agents, system integrators, and ODM business. And we have a lot of different application fields, include the medical equipment, factory automation, telecommunications, vehicle, government project, gaming, and we will focus in the hospitality and the retail today. Protech has 4 major different product lines, include the point of sale and tablet, industrial computer, medical electronics, and the kiosk. For the hospitality solutions, we can divide from the 3 different segments: the ordering, the payment, and the report. And for the ordering, we have the POS system, and you also can order by the kiosk, mobile POS, and when the order is done, you can integrate different payment solutions you need, like the credit card, e-payment, even the cash. And all of the transaction or the ordering data we can send to the kitchen or save in the cloud on the data. So we can also link all of the information to the ERP to control the inventory, and the headquarters can generate the report online, so the owner can see all of the report on their cell phone. And if you order online, we also provide a queuing system for the pickup service. There's a special type of the restaurant called the QSR, quick service restaurant. Somebody called the fast food. And we have the complete solution for the QSR restaurant. In the video, you can see we can provide the kiosk in the front, let the customer make the order. And also in the kitchen, we can put the kitchen display, try to help the order more efficiency. And we also provide a food locker solution, try to reduce face-to-face contact. When the customer arrives to the fast food restaurant, they can make the order by themselves and choose a different payment mode. For example, if they pay by the cash, and after they insert the cash, got a change, and the camera can scan their face to recognize who is the make the order, and also can print out the QR code from the receipt. And when the kitchen receives the order, they start to make your order immediately. And after it's done, you can click the button and tell the customer the order is ready, and replace the order in the food locker. Okay, and also you can see the customer can see from the digital signage. Okay, for example, number 3's order is ready, so they can just walk in front of the food locker and scan their face or scan the QR code on the receipt, and the customer can just take the order from the food locker. And by these solutions, no matter you want to order inside the store or even you order online, like the Uber Eats, we can provide the zero contact pickup service. In this QSR restaurant map, you can see we can divide into 5 different zones: the kitchen zone, the pickup zone, the post-order zone, and the self-ordering zone. And also outside, we have the drive-through zone. On the different zone, we provide different solutions to fit the customer request. In the kitchen, we can provide a different size of screen, like 32-inch, 22-inch, or even you need some waterproofing solution for the kitchen display. In the pickup zone, like in the video, we provide the food locker to save the food before the customer pickup is completely closed to prevent some contact with the other customer. And for the ordering, POS ordering zone, we have the different type of the POS. If you need some countertop kiosk, we also have the different size, different applications. And if you have some outdoor seats Or if you have some very big restaurant, you want to make the table ordering, table service, we have the 10-inch or 7-inch tablet to fit the different customer requests. For the self-ordering solutions, we have 32-inch, 22-inch with the different payment mode. If you need a cash or cashless or even a simple stand, it just depends on the customer budget. We can provide all of the different customer need kiosks. And in the outdoor drive-through zone, we provide a high-end or low-end embedded system with the wide temperature control. And if you link with our I/O controller, you can control the gate by the embedded PC outdoor. As I just mentioned, we have a lot of experience in the QSR restaurant. On the slide, you can see we already work with some tier 1 worldwide brand on the market right now. For example, like Burger King, KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, or the Popeyes. So our product is very reliable and been tested on the market for a while. So what's the benefit for the restaurant who install the kiosk solution? In our experience, we can see it can help the restaurant owner increase like 10% revenue by playing the commercial and reduce 30% waiting for time. Also reduce 20% queuing time. Time's money, so kiosk can really help the owner save a lot of money. It's not only the fast food or QSR restaurant, we also have many different solutions for retail, convenience store, hospital, and the food court. Not only in the restaurant, we also have a lot of special design kiosks for the different area. For example, like the hotel self-checking, the parking payment, the ticketing machine, and the tax refund machine in the airport. So for the QSR solutions, we have one of the best QSR solution on the market right now. We call the KS1130. It's 32-inch kiosk with the very stylish design. It's running with the Intel Cellular Pentium or the i3, i5. You can see the speaker on both sides and a 32-inch capacity screen on the front, true flip design, and there's a facial camera for the option for the customer. On the bottom, you can see the thermal printer that the different critical machine. We can integrate the 2D barcode scanner to scan the QR code on the cell phone. And on the back side, we have a special design to the power cable or the Ethernet cable can hide in the wall. And we also have a special design on the front with the small door for the thermal paper. You can just open the front small door to replace the paper. You don't need to open the whole body of the kiosk. So if you open the kiosk, you can see the inside is very clean, very well cable management. And you can just replace the kiosk fixed on the wall, or you can just fix on the floor stand, depends on your request. So some customers even put the double-side kiosk back to back together to save some space. And it's not only for the restaurant, you can also put in the airport or any kind of the public area to do with the self-information checking device. And for some huge restaurant or the outdoor restaurant, we have the tablet mobile solution for the customer. And based on our experience, if you use the tablet solution for the table service, you can increase around 80% customer experience and increase 30% for the order efficiency. Because the waiter or waitress can just make the order immediately. They don't need to write on your order and back to the office or back to the POS, type in the order again. So that's why we also can reduce 15% for the waiter or waitress number. For the tablet solution, we have 10-inch and 7-inch solution. In the video, you can see 10-inch tablet solution. We work with the Intel Atom solution, Qualcomm. And on the front, you can see the 10.1 screen with the capacitive waterproofing design. On the left side, we can use the NFC to read the data from the cell phone or doing the payment. On the right side, you can see the barcode scanner. And we also reserved the USB Type-A. You can connect to the scanner or the other device you need. On the top, you can connect to the phone jack during the communications. And by the barcode scanner, you can read the membership card or read the barcode from the cell phone to do the third-party payment. On the top, you can use the MSR, just swipe the card, or use the IC card reader on the right side to make the transaction. And on the back side, we can provide the camera and the speaker. And the battery is a removable design. You can swap the battery you need, no matter you want to do the maintenance or just want to switch the battery when the battery is low. And with the restaurant, you can use our docking station to extend the more different I/O if you want to connect to the cash drawer, or you want to connect to the printers or the second display. So this very compact, slim 10-inch device you can use in the many different type of the restaurant, or you can just control the inventory in the warehouse. And we also provide two different type of the handle, like the neck strap or the hand strap. So with the Protech tablet solution, you can make the order in the drive-thru, try to reduce the long line in the drive-thru. And you also can use a tablet to help the warehouse to manage the inventory. And with some special occasions, we also adapt our tablet to the e-voting solutions. And in the more industrial solutions, we can use the tablet to control the robot arm in the car manufacturer. So you already see we have a lot of solutions try to help the customer make the order. So once you make the order, how the restaurant help you to give your food more faster. That's why we create the kitchen display solution for the customer. Based on our experience, if the chef use the kitchen display solution, we can help them to increase around 25% service speed and reduce around 55% customer complaint, because we help them to reduce 20% about the wrong order chance. For the kitchen display hardware, like the previous video you just see for the kiosk modular design, we can just take off the upper parts and just fix the panel PC on the wall. It also can be a kitchen display solution for the restaurant. And we offer the two different size, 21.5 inch or 32 inch. It just depends what the size of your restaurant, how many orders you take at the same time. So you can choose the different size you need. Okay, you already see a lot of the hardware product from the Protech. And it's not only the hardware product, we also provide the software management platform we call the ProxEye. It's an MDN software. This software can help the manager and the MIS department to manage like thousands of devices on site, and they can help their job more easy and more efficiency. So this is ProxEye architecture. At first, you need to install the agent app we call the Cubo on your device. And the Cubo is work with the Windows 10, Windows 7, or the Android 9. This Cubo app can help the manager to do the remote control and with the different function. On the management side, we provide the web UI, and you can build your own cloud or use the public cloud. It just depends what your budget concern. And the manager can use the web UI to control the thousands units in the office. ProxEye also work with the OpenAMT technology with the Intel. It's called active management technology. So if the device, no matter it's a POS or the kiosk, if it's in out-of-band situation, which is the OS is unavailable to log in, but if the LAN or the BIOS label is still available, and with the OpenAMT function, we can just remote or rebuild the image from the office. So you don't need to send the maintenance guy on-site service at first time, which is it can save a lot of time and money for the manager. To give you more understanding about the ProxEye, I will introduce some major function for the ProxEye. And the first and the most important thing is the remote. We can make the remote control from the office. So you can just control the software, the hardware parts. If you want to do the software update, or you want to schedule or deliver the new update from the office, so it's all available from the remote control function. Power management function is also very important for the ProxEye. So the manager can monitor the battery status for each device, and also power gathering for the special I/O is also available for the ProxEye. For example, if the manager sees this device with the very low the battery health status, so we can schedule the maintenance guy try to replace the battery before it dies, and we can avoid the restaurant with some inconvenient situations. ProxEye also can provide a special device setting, so the manager can set access privileges for the specified systems, such as a limit access for the USB device. You also can allow or disallow the Bluetooth settings, disallow the NFC settings, and showing the status bar, or with the security control, you can disallow the end user install the app from an unknown source. And also you can disable the users accidentally to use the factory reset. The event notifications also very important for the manager. The server can set up the notified rules, for example, like the battery status, app installations, issue reporting, for the real-time information update from the user or the management. We can let the employees get the newest and the more accurate information at the right time. For the issue reporting, the client can send the files to the administrator for analyzing the user problem. So we can see all of the issue list on the control panel, and all of the issue will send to the management side on the cloud. So the IT department and MIS department can see and generate of the report, try to prevent the issue happen next time. So after we see the issue report, we can do the error recovery. The administrator can invoke the watchdog process or the reset command for recovering the abnormal machines. So once we have all of the issue report and the recovery data, we can create the high-level view of the entire Android device. We call the dashboard. It can help allow the users to act in the individual device quickly. If you have thousands of devices on the field right now, how you can manage all of the devices at the same time? So luckily, ProtechI already integrate with the Google API to help the management or the IT department to visualize the location of the managed device on the Google map, so you can see all of the device on which location very clear and easily. The device list can let the manager to see the full list of all of the device in the currently selected organization group. For example, you can see when the machine being installed, who installed the machine, what type of the OS, what's the serial number, and also can link to all of the issue report. The grouping function is also help for the management department. They can group all of the device by any way they want. For example, by the different area, different models, different people who install the machines. They can just do whatever the way they want, as long as they can do their job easier or more efficiency to update the system. Okay, that's all of the presentation I have today. I hope you have more understanding about self-service, how it works in the QSR or the other restaurant. And if you want to know more information, you can visit the Protech website or send me the email. Thank you.